here.
That chain lets go, you're getting smacked.
Right.
Move, you're in my way.
Fine. You don't have to take a video. Jeez.
Will you?
Now we're gonna have to get the plow truck right out.
The plow truck's stuck.
I know.
Mine is stuck.
No,
He's
yours
all
will
in
come
the
out now.
Black stuff.
It's cold. She rolls cold, wicked. What Dad needs to do is unhook and get repositioned. He's hung up in the front.
Well, he's slickening the ice.
Bah! Blink is on, buddy. You're gonna have some caution. Easy, buddy. You gotta turn the blinker right on. Yeah. Slowly but surely. Every little bit counts. You're the rev limit. She's hitting the rev limit, buddy. Yes, yeah.
It's like a train.
Yeah, it does.
Bah. Dylan, look out. Bruh,
Alright, Captain.
Hiya. You best. You best. You best. Hiya. You best. Oh, he's coming up this way after. No. I'm staying by the exhaust pipe. I love it. What are you doing, Dad? You should have already been out of his way. Now Dad's stuck. Why is Dad backing? Dad's gonna come forward again, and then he's gonna be you. You bass. No, you're gonna get momentum. Yes, there goes a nice blade of grass. Oh, look at Connor. Oh, he's stuck. Hey, he's stuck.
Yep.
Where's Connor?
Oh, right there.
Where? Oh, there he is. Connor! Yeah, more snow than you got.
He's piled right in, so he's all the way over there, so the other guy can't get out. That guy that's passing.
Hey, yes,